Hello everybody, this is Dr. Daigneault, and today I just thought I would just check with you guys. I've done a lot of live videos and I wanted to make sure that you were not left behind. If you haven't seen any of our video, one of the things that I would like to just to bring to your attention in this time, probably the most important thing, right, to what I've been promoting for all the years that I've been in practice, 20 plus years, right? It's for people to be healthy. And what we should have been doing a month ago, we should be doing the same thing now, right? And so though I would like to give you the download of probably the 5 most important things that you should be doing right now if you want to keep your immune system strong and stay on top of your game, right? Some of you out there might have some concern about your immune system, some concern about making sure your body's staying strong through this season right now that we're going through. So this being said, the first and foremost, that is probably the most important, is for you to be well hydrated, meaning that you need to be drinking water, probably half of your body weight in ounces. So for instance, if you're 200 pounds, you should be drinking at least 100 ounces per day. That's number one. Number two is to get enough rest, meaning that to get enough sleep. So you should be sleeping 7 to 8 hours a night, right? So that would be the ideal. And then after that, you want to make sure that you're moving your body. So I know some of you right now that you might be struggling with some kind of chronic illnesses where you might have shortness of breath, you might have neuropathy, you might have some high blood pressure, right? But there's some things that you can do that is basic stuff like just taking a walk, right? How's that sound? So that's simple to do, but at the same time, it's very powerful. Number 4 is you want to be making sure that you're eating real food and you're staying away from sugar. Right, so if you've ever met me before, or if you watch me on some video, I'm sure that you've heard about staying away from sugar. This is really important to keep your immune system strong. Research is supporting that all day long. And then after that, you want to make sure you're eating real food. So staying away from cake, cookies, candies, ice cream, bread, rice, and pasta, right? Eating real food, and the more raw food that you can put in your body, the better it is for you. And then we also tell people that, chiropractic adjustment, some of you might be familiar with that, some of you might not be, but chiropractic adjustment also has the ability to upregulate, to allow the body to function better. As a result of that, the immune system can do a better job. As a matter of fact, this was just published, just yesterday through the International Chiropractic Association, which is our governing bodies here in the United States, a whole 16 pages paper that talks about how chiropractic care through the course of the past 120 some years, right, have been helping people to stay healthy and then to keep their bodies strong. And then last but not least, I want to bring this out to you because this was an article that was published in 2004, right? And the article was done on nitric oxide. And some of you, I know you've been taking food supplements that is upregulating nitric oxide. One of them that we're using here in the office, it's called VasoPro, and some of you might already be taking that. But I just want you to know, I'm going to read this to you right now, which is kind of cool. This was published back in 2004. So if you're worried about the coronavirus, they've known about the coronavirus for a long time already. However, strain number 19 is new. But in 2004, they published this paper. It says, nitric oxide will inhibit the replication cycle of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. It's right here, coronavirus, right? Again, this was not done on COVID-19. However, people that had issues with their lung, they had respiratory issues, they would give them supplements with nitric oxide just like this, right? And as a result of that, people would start being able to breathe better, which I think it was exciting. This is really exciting to me because I know some of you already do that. Maybe some of you, you're not doing that right now, or maybe you stopped doing it. But I just want you to know that if you are doing it, this is something that is actually, will benefit your neuropathy, but it will also benefit a lot of different other things. So I just thought I'd share that with you. So anyway, I just thought I'd, check in with you and, so to make sure that, you guys are okay. If you need anything from us, you can give us a call at 517-336-8880. 517-336-8880. And this is Dr. Daigneault. Hopefully you learned something. Take care.